Hi children, today let's do a very interesting exercise on verbs. Alright, so we have already done verbs, now let's do an exercise and we'll fill in with correct verbs. In the sentence, you either put in is, am or are. Look at the sentence, read the sentence, is, am, are. Here, we are not only learning to fill in with verbs, we are also learning to read the sentence. Yes, let's do our first exercise. Look, see what you have. Look at the picture. Who is this? Policeman. So what will you write here? What will you say? He, choose the verb, is, am, are. What will you choose? Yes, good. He is. He is a policeman. Very good. Now look at the sentence. He is, verb is used, and look at the full stop, beginning cap letter. Let's read the sentence together. Who is this? He is a policeman. Very good. Did you like the exercise? And we'll do a few more like this. Let's go on to our next picture. Yes? Look what we have here. Look at this lovely little girl. Who is this? A little girl. What does she say? What does she say? What is the verb we are going to put in here? Is, am, are. Which one will you choose? She says, I dash 4 years old. What will you put in? I am. Very good. I am 4 years old. Look at the sentence. I capital letter, ending full stop, and she has used the verb am. Read the sentence with me. I am 4 years old. Good. Let's go on to our next picture. See what we have here. Look what we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children standing around with big smile. What they say? We. What is the verb we are going to use here? More than one? Are. Very good. We are friends. Begin with the cap letter, end with the full stop, and more than one. So we have used are. So they're very happy and they're telling, we are friends. Read the sentence. We are friends. Good. Let's go on to our next picture. See what we have here? Mama's bag, no? Or your teacher's bag. What is this? A bag. Now, this dash a handbag. Just one bag. So what is the verb we are going to use? Is. Very good. One bag. This is a handbag. One bag. So we use is. This is a handbag. So you learn to read the sentence? Good. Let's go on to our next picture. Are you enjoying the exercise? Here is some juicy fruit for you to eat. You like? Summertime, mango time. These fruits. What are these fruits? Mangoes. These fruits dash ripe. These fruits dash. Is it one or more than one fruit? There is 1, 2, 3. So what is the verb that you will use here? Is or are? Are. Very good. Because there are 3 ripe mangoes. So these fruits are ripe. These fruits are ripe. Are ripe because more than one. Begin the sentence with capital letter, ending. Let's read the sentence together. These fruits are ripe. Are you enjoying the exercise in verbs? Good. Let's go on to our next picture. Look at the picture. What is this? A sack. Is it empty or full? Full, yes. Now, the verb, this is just one single sack. What is the verb you will use? Is or are? Good, is. This sack is. Yes, you will write is. This sack is full. This sack is full. The verb used is correct because one single sack. And it's full is. Good. Look. You like this little fellow? Yeah, lovely little mouse. Very happy. Yes? Let's read. What does the mouse say? I dash a mouse. What does the mouse say? I, which is the verb you'll use, is or am? Am. Very good. I am. The mouse says, I am a mouse. I capital, ends with the full stop. I am a mouse. The verb used here is am. You like the exercise? Are you enjoying? Read the sentence. I am a mouse. Good. Let's take another picture. See what you have. What do you see here? There's the top of the tree. There's a lovely little nest with nice blue eggs in it. Let's read the sentence, okay? This dash a nest. How many nests are there? One single. So what's the verb you'll use here? Is or are? Is. Very good. This is a nest because there's one single nest. This is a nest. This is a nest. T. This cap begins with a cap letter, ends with the full stop, and the verb used is. Read the sentence with me. This is a nest. Good. Did you enjoy the exercise? Let's take another picture. See what you have here. What are the two birds doing? Flying high up in the sky. Now, let's read the sentence. The birds dash flying. The birds dash flying. You're supposed to use a verb here. Will you use is or are? The birds are because there are two birds. So we write here the birds are flying. Begins with the cap letter, ends with the full stop. We use the verb are here because there are two birds. Let's read the sentence together. Look carefully. The birds are flying. Good. Did you enjoy? Let's go on to another picture. Look what you have here. Wow, a lovely, cute little lion. Let's see what he says. I dash a lion. What does he say? What verb will you use? Will you use is or am? One single line there. You will use am because the line says, I am a lion. I am a lion. Good. One line. So we use the verb used is am. Begins with capital letter, ends with the full stop. Read the sentence with me. I am a lion. Who says that? The lion. Did you enjoy the exercise? Let's go on to another new picture. See what you have. Look, what are these? Numbers. Yes, numbers. You know to write and count numbers? Yes. Now, these dash numbers. Now, use the verb is or are. There's more than one number here. Lots of numbers. So, we use are. Verb used is are. These are numbers. These are numbers. The sentence begins with a capital letter, ends with the full stop. Verb used is are. Read the sentence with me. These are numbers. Good. Let's take another picture. Look, a lovely jug is here. Nice teapot. You know the rhyme teapot? Good. Now, this dash a teapot. There is one single. Will you use is or are? Is. Very good. So we use the verb is. This is a teapot. What is this? This is a teapot. Read the sentence. This is a teapot. One teapot, so S is used. Begins with capital letter, ends with the full stop. This is a teapot. Good. Let's take another picture. Are you enjoying the exercise on verbs? Good. Look, the little boy is very happy. What's he doing? The boy dash swimming. One single boy. So what will you use? Is or are? Is. The boy is, because one little boy only. The boy is swimming. The boy is swimming. Cap letter, full stop, observe. Let's read the sentence together. The boy is swimming. Good. Let's look at another picture. Look. Whole lot of balloons are there. Colorful balloons. Let's read. These dash balloons. More than one, will you use is or are? What verb? Are. Very good. So you write here, these are balloons. These are balloons. The sentence begins with a capital letter, ends with the full stop, and we use are, the verb, because there are more than one balloon. These are balloons. Did you enjoy the exercise? Good.